Good morning, grade 7s. Welcome to Visual Arts. Please settle down and take your seats. In today's lesson, we will be learning about optical art, also known as op art. We will explore artists who use optical illusions in their artwork. Then we will create our own optical art by drawing a 3D illusion hand. We will use straight and curved lines to trick the eye into seeing a flat drawing as if it has depth and form. Notice that even though the page is flat and 2D, the combination of the line types will make the hand appear as if it's popping out of the page, almost as if it's lifting off the surface. Optical art is a style of art that plays with visual perceptions, and it creates illusions that trick the eye into seeing movement or depth. Here's an example of optical art by Akiyoshi Kitaoka. It is from his Rotating Snake series. Looking at the image, each snake appears to rotate. The illusion of movement is created by the pattern and the color. Akiyoshi Kitaoka also created illusion images for Lady Gaga's 2013 album Art Pop's interior packaging. Looking at the inside of the cover, it appears that the lines are moving outwards. UK artist Bridget Riley, one of the pioneers of optical art, is known for geometric patterns that create optical illusions, challenging the viewer's perception and evoking sensations of movement or vibration. Here's her artwork, Gala, 1974. The curvilinear forms ripple across the canvas in a repeating wave pattern, creating a sense of movement. M.C. Escher was also an artist who created artworks that used optical illusion to manipulate how we see space and form. Look at this artwork by M.C. Escher called Day and Night, made in 1938. This image is a farmland landscape with a river. It is split into two mirrored halves. The birds morph into the land. He uses something called tessellations. These are created when shapes are repeated with no gaps or overlaps. Before we begin, let's look at the materials we need. An HB pencil, a ruler, and a black marker, but you can use a black Koki pen if you don't have that. So, please Ruby, come up and hand out these A4 sheets. Let us take this step by step. First step, draw a pencil outline around your hand. You must place your non-dominant hand on the A4 piece of paper. You draw your pencil outline around your hand. Step 1 done. Moving on to step 2, you're going to draw straight lines in the background of your paper. With your ruler, measure lines 1 centimeter apart on the left and right sides of the page. Then draw lines across your paper with your ruler, but not over your hand and fingers. Step 3, starting on the pinky, you must draw curved lines along the fingers, and they are going to line up with the straight lines. Do this for all the fingers and the thumb, and then across the hand you must use one continuous line and make sure that they line up to the other side. Step 4, you are welcome to add your own coloring to the drawing. So, for your homework today, you will take these sheets home and practice tessellation patterns inspired by M.C. Escher's work. You can create a 3D effect by coloring the tessellation shapes in different colors. The tessellation pattern is created by different diamond and rhombus shapes. 3 different colors have been chosen to group together 3 of the shapes, so to create the 3D cube effect. Try to use at least 3 colors and keep your coloring neat and consistent with each shape. So you will see you have this page and this page. But for now, let us focus on creating our 3D illusion